Hey Bilaras, welcome back to your go-to channel for natural skincare. Do you feel like your skin needs a total reset? Maybe you're struggling with dullness, dryness, wrinkles, or those stubborn dark spots that just won't go away. What if I told you that there's a single mask that can address all these skin concerns naturally? Yes, you heard that right. Today I'm sharing a powerful DIY mask that brightens, hydrates, reduces wrinkles, and fades hyperpigmentation all in one. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my weekly skincare tips and DIY recipes. Let's get started. Here's how to make this super effective mask. To a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of ground flaxseed. It's a natural powerhouse that firms the skin, reduces wrinkles, and hydrates deeply. 1 teaspoon of ground sesame, which is packed with vitamins and antioxidants to brighten your skin and fade dark spots. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. It exfoliates gently and tackles hyperpigmentation efficiently. 1 teaspoon of yogurt, as a source of lactic acid that hydrates, smooths, and lightens dark spots. And finally, enough rose water to create a smooth paste. It's going to soothe, tone, and refresh your skin, leaving it balanced and glowing. Stir it all together until the consistency is just right, neither too thick nor too runny. Your mask is now ready to work its magic. If you missed my flaxseed and rice flour mask video, I highly recommend watching it. It's perfect for targeting wrinkles. This mask builds on that recipe to create an all-in-one skincare solution. Now, on a clean skin, apply the mask evenly all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off gently with lukewarm water and follow up with a moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Use this mask up to 3 times a week for maximum benefits. And remember, consistency is the secret to glowing skin. Great skin comes from the habits you stick to, not the ones you do once. So stay consistent. And that's it, Bilaras. This mask is truly an all-in-one solution for brighter, smoother, and healthier skin. Which skin problem are you most excited to tackle with this mask? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any ideas for future videos, drop your suggestions below. I'd love to create content that helps you on your skincare journey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips every week. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing. Bye!